Three.
Good afternoon, Madam Sir. I am Miriam de los Santos, 28 of age. I am single. I'm a college graduate from Pamantasan ng Luzon ng Pasay. My course is Business Administration, major in marketing. I'm a eldest. I want to work abroad because I want to give a better life for my family. Madam Sir, Madam Sir, if you choose me as your helper, I will do all my duties and responsibilities like cooking, wash the clothes, mop the floor, clean the house, ironing, and I am honest and hardworking, patient, and I want to take care of the kids. I will treat your family as my own, and I promise to finish my contract. Hope to see you soon, Sir, Madam.